Hello?
Yes.
Hey, who is this?
Who is this?
Katie.
Katie.
Anyway, I just needed to ask you a question.
Who is this?
It's a very good friend of yours.
Who is it?
I'm a real good friend.
Alright, what's the question?
Okay, I need you to tell me a healthy food that's green.
A healthy food that's green. Who is this?
Just tell me.
A healthy food that's green?
Green.
Green beans.
No.
Leafy.
It's leafy.
The weed?
No. Okay, it's leafy. No.
Broccoli?
No.
Asparagus?
No.
Lettuce?
Well, that's close. What kind of...
Cabbage?
No, wait. Go back to the one.
Lettuce?
Yeah,
You use lettuce to make
you
it.
use lettuce to make it.
A salad?
Yes! Woo! You win.
Awesome.
Yeah.